Hello there, my name is Manuel Ocampo, and today I'm going to show you an impeccable captain-maintained 2018 Bavaria S33. The first thing you notice when you look at the Bavaria Sport 33 is the magnificent German design, which is obvious when you appreciate its graceful lines and elegant profile. Another thing that makes this boat quite exceptional is that it's one of the few 33-foot sport cruisers powered with twin diesel engines, as opposed to most boats this size, which come with gasoline engines. That makes this boat an excellent value for a boat this size. As soon as you step into the Bavaria 33, you will be surprised by the size of the swing platform, which is large enough to accommodate a 10-foot dinghy or several people lounging out with their feet on the water. A convenient hot and cold fresh water shower wand is located by the entrance to the cockpit, so you can hose the salt water off when you come back from a swim. There is a spacious and comfortable L-shaped cockpit lounge seat, which integrates seamlessly with the main deck area, especially when the retractable sunroof is in the open position. The main deck and the cockpit become one huge entertainment area, and the open sunroof and side windows let the breeze and the sunlight flow in as if you're one with nature. If you prefer more shade, you can close the sunroof and pull out the retractable shade, which extends from the top of the salon hardtop all the way to the back of the cockpit. One of my favorite features is the cockpit table, which can drop down and double as a cockpit sun pad with the provided cushion. If you want front row seats while enjoying the view, simply step up to the forward deck, where you'll find a queen-size sun pad that will fit 2 or 3 comfortably. Another improvement to the luxurious look and feel of the Bavaria S33 is the full flex teak in the main deck area, the cockpit, and in its huge bathing platform. As you step into the main deck, you will find on your starboard side an integrated wet bar with an electric grill, a faucet and sink, a refrigerator, and plenty of storage underneath it. Directly across on the port side, you have plenty of seating for the entire family, which faces the helm and the wet bar and grill area. When you sit at the helm, you will notice that the visibility is excellent, as it offers 360-degree views and no blind spots. The helm is equipped with an intuitive display pad with icon-marked buttons that indicate the functions they operate on the boat. Docking this boat is easy with the help of an Aquamatic joystick and a bow thruster for additional control of the boat. The boat is equipped with state-of-the-art Garmin electronics, including a 12-inch color chart plotter with GPS and an autopilot, as well as a VHF radio. Going down into the cabin, the first thing you will notice is how spacious and well lit it is. There are beautiful accent lights coming from every direction, which enhance the fine look of the interiors and the rich wood finishes in all the cabinetry. There is also natural light coming in from portholes on both sides of the cabin. The galley is well equipped with spacious Korean countertops, a dual burner electric stove, a microwave, a sink with hot and cold water, and plenty of storage. The dining room is nicely appointed with a comfortable L-shaped sofa and a medium-sized oak wood table opposite the galley. The VIP stateroom is a twin-size V-berth located forward of the cabin, with portholes on both sides, a mirror, and a ventilation hatch over the bed. The guest room is located at the stern of the boat, and it takes the entire beam of the boat, which makes it very spacious and comfortable. There are 2 single berths, which can be joined together with a filler cushion to accommodate couples or several children. There's also a small bench-style sofa, as well as a couple of portholes that provide natural light. Both staterooms have plenty of storage and closets to hang your clothes. The head is nicely appointed with a sink and shower with hot and cold water, as well as a vacuum flush head. There is plenty of room for storage and enough room to move about comfortably. The cabin is air conditioned, and there's a very quiet generator to power up your air conditioner while you're on the way or mooring at your favorite hideaway. The Bavaria Sport 33 is everything you could want in a yacht, in the body of a sport cruiser that can accommodate your entire family. My name is Manuel Ocampo, and I want to thank you for letting me walk you through this beautiful boat. You can always connect with me through phone, text, or email. I'll see you on the water. you've earned it.